Why is discipline so important? Discipline is like a compass. It gives direction to your life. Without it, you can easily get lost in distractions and bad habits. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It would fall apart. Similarly, your life needs discipline as its foundation to stand strong. Discipline helps you in many ways. Achieving your dreams. Everyone has dreams, but not everyone achieves them. Why? Because dreams need effort and consistency. If you want to be a doctor, an artist, a sports person, or anything else, discipline will keep you moving forward. Time management. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. What you do with your time shapes your future. Discipline helps you organize your time wisely. Instead of wasting hours on distractions, you can focus on activities that bring you closer to your goals. Building good habits. Habits shape your life. Brushing your teeth, exercising, studying regularly, these are all good habits created by discipline. Once these habits are part of your routine, success becomes easier. Overcoming challenges. Life is not always easy. There will be tough times, but discipline will give you the strength to push through. It teaches you patience, resilience, and self-control, which are essential for overcoming difficulties. What happens without discipline? Now think about a life without discipline. It's like a boat without a rudder. It drifts aimlessly. Without discipline, you might procrastinate, miss opportunities, and fail to reach your potential. Distractions like social media, video games, or bad company can take over, leaving you feeling stuck and frustrated. But here's the good news. Discipline is not something you're born with. It is a skill you can learn and practice. How can you become more disciplined? Becoming disciplined is not easy, but it is worth it. Here are some simple steps to help you. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve. Whether it's passing an exam, getting fit, or learning a new skill, write down your goals. When you have a clear purpose, staying disciplined becomes easier. Make a plan. Break your goals into smaller steps. For example, if you want to write a book, plan to write a few pages every day. A good plan gives you a roadmap to follow. Stick to a routine. A routine is like a daily guide. Decide when to study, exercise, rest, and have fun. Following a routine helps you stay organized and productive. Avoid distractions. Identify what distracts you the most. Maybe it's your phone or too much TV. Limit these distractions so you can focus better on your tasks. Stay consistent. Discipline is not a one-day activity. It's something you need to practice every day. Even if you make mistakes, don't give up. Start again and keep moving forward. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress. After completing a task, treat yourself to something you enjoy. Rewards motivate you to keep going. Learn from role models. Look at successful people. They all have one thing in common: discipline. Learn from their habits and routines to inspire yourself. Discipline in action. Let me share a simple example. Think about a student preparing for exams. A disciplined student wakes up early, follows a study plan, and revises regularly. On the other hand, an undisciplined student wastes time and studies at the last moment. Who do you think will do better? Of course, the one who stayed disciplined. Discipline is not just for students or professionals, it's for everyone. Athletes train hard every day. Musicians practice for hours. Parents manage their time to care for their families. In every role, discipline makes a difference. The rewards of discipline. The beauty of discipline is that it rewards you in many ways. Success. Discipline helps you reach your goals, no matter how big or small. Happiness. Completing tasks and achieving your dreams gives you joy and confidence. Respect. Disciplined people earn the respect of others because they are reliable and responsible. Growth. Discipline shapes your character. making you a better person every day. Challenges and how to overcome them. Yes, there will be challenges. Laziness, fear of failure, and distractions can try to pull you away from your path. But don't let them win. Remember why you started. Keep your eyes on your